Let's dive into the art of Japanese green tea. It's all about calm and focus.
This comes from a traditional guide on, you guessed it, how to make tea.
So, how do you turn these humble leaves into that perfect calming cup? Let's find out.
First up, you only need 4 essential elements to get started. That's it.
First, you'll need a teapot. In Japan, they call this a Kyūsu.
Next up, the teacup, or you know me. And trust me, it does more than just hold the tea. And of course, the heart of it all, your green tea leaves.
And finally, some hot water. This is what makes the magic happen.
Okay, so the whole process, it's a simple, beautiful ritual in just 5 steps.
Step 1 is all about warming up the cup. It's a super important prep step. So you just pour hot water right into the teacup. This does 2 things at once. Okay, while that cup is warming up, let's get the teapot right.
Now you're going to put your tea leaves right into the teapot, the Kyūsu.
All right, now for a really clever part. What about that water in the cup? You pour it from the teacup into the teapot. See? The water cools down perfectly. And now for the quiet part, which might just be the most important step.
You just wait. Let those tea leaves open up and release all that amazing flavor.
All right, we're almost there. Time for the final, super satisfying step.
Now pour the tea from the pot right back into your warm cup. And that's it. But hey, what if you're in a bit of a rush? There's a shortcut. So, for the quicker method, you just skip the steps for warming the cup. It just goes to show how flexible this whole process is. Make it work for you. Either way, you're going to end up with a simple, elegant, and really rewarding cup of tea. So, the only question is, are you ready to create your own moment of calm?